Hello.
Hi, Ken. Are you Ken?
I am.
Hi, Ken.
Hello.
Hi, Ken. Are you Ken?
I am.
Hi, Ken.
I'm Ken and this is my boss, Mike.
Hi, Mike.
How y'all doing?
Okay. Victoria, this is Victoria's boat, and she's on that camera.
Oh, okay. Well, it definitely looks like it's got some water in it. Any idea what happened?
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we took it over to
We
the
took-
marina, and it cleaned at the bottom, and it came back, and this is what
Came back and it's sinking.
Well, that's no good.
They put
No.
new wires on, new cables on, and now the... Shouldn't let anybody here. Maybe Ken can. I can hear it in the back.
Did you get that?
I'm not sure I've ever seen a camera that had a speaker on it.
You have ropes, right?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take just 2 of the ones you have in case they don't have any at the marina.
Okay, there's a rope right there, Fred.
What?
In the boat.
He said we don't need them.
I know, but you said you'll take 2.
We'll just take 2 just in case. They have them, but depends on where we tie up.
Are you gonna take the boat like this?
Yep.
Okay. Vicky, you see how they're doing this?
I guess there's really not much for us to do.
Yeah, I mean, Ken, there could be a plug on that.
A what?
I'm just thinking the water that's in here to get the water out.
We were asking if there was a drain.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if there's a drain. I mean,
I think usually they're solid.
The problem is, it's
Yeah, so unless they
Yeah.
damage
Did they
something.
so they did a bottom job on it,
Yeah.
correct?
We bottom
So
job.
maybe there could
And,
be a little bit of a hole in there.
yeah, and we had them replace all the cables.
Yep.
Now I can't drop the lower unit. Otherwise, I'd have driven it there. They won't. Nothing on the lower unit.
nothing works. That's what happens.
Do you have any electrical
And
power?
they replaced all the cables. So, and the battery's off. I turned it off, but it.
I'm sure they'll find it out.
It goes up. That's
But
what-
nothing.
And they replaced all the cables.
Okay.
I'm gonna shut the battery off because you.
Yeah, that's fine. And they know they're coming?
Yeah. And you know where you're going.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
and so we
we'll
don't
go
need
there.
you to ride with us. There's no need to ride. We'll get it there.
Oh, we're gonna go to Captain Kurt's. We're gonna go to lunch.
That
Clam
sounds.
chowder.
That's get some clam chowder. Get some clam chowder.
Clam chowder.
All right, that sounds good. We'll get
You're
you.
all set?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir?
Well, wait. I gotta disconnect you.
Yep. So we got
She has like a block on her phone. That's why it was asking for one.
what was that? Yeah, we fit.
Yeah, we'll make it. One way or the other.
Just take a deep breath, right?
Exactly.
Right.
I'll get off. I'm okay. I'm gonna be okay.
And
Thanks, fellas.
I dropped the bow line.
The keys?
I dropped the bow line there. If you can just pull that in.
The key is still in the boat.
Okay. Want to do this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you think they'll fly it and fly off when you go across the water?
No, they're fine. I can put them down, just in case.
Thank you. Well, as you said, you don't have them.
Yep.
Get there.
I don't think we'll need them.
That's okay.
There's buoys in the car. There's buoys in there.
Flip around here.
Yeah, I wonder how much water we got.
I would back in towards that lift. It's got to be at least somewhat deep there. You can come back more.
Huh?
You can come back more.
You got plenty of water back there?
Yeah.
I'm trying to hug this.
Or you're gonna have to clear this lift when you come forward. Besides, their engine's up, so you don't have to worry about that now. Yep. I'll send you guys a picture, or I'll send her a picture when we get it over there.
Yeah.
We'll make a captain of you yet.
Were you worried?
No. You took it slow.
Hmm?
You took it slow. You just have people there, a camera, this camera going. There's everyone watching you.
I mean, I didn't think you could do it, so that's why I did it.
Yep. See, if we post the video, then the viewers will know that you're full of because they've seen what I can do.
So and I've seen it live.
I think we'll probably just keep this in a hip toe all the way over there.
Okay.
You know, see when we get out, and if it's too choppy, then we'll switch it to a stern toe, but we're not going too far. And without the engine down, pontoon boats like to get a little squirrely.
I totally forgot that I was on video.
Where do you guys want it?
Out there. Did you call and talk to Eric?
We didn't. No, the owner called, and this is the one that was taking on water.
Okay. Maybe Mr. Jim. Mr. Jim, do you know about this? You'd like it up there.
Okay.
there?
You want it right on the dock, or do you want it on the forks?
Right on the dock.
Okay.
Going out right now.
Like it.
Yep. Nice job,
Should I get some lines out for them, or are they just gonna pull it?
Do you want any dock lines?
I'll grab it. Just let go and this is not fun.
We got 2 on here for you.
Yeah, why don't you throw me that one right there? Throw me that dime.
Reach it. Need a hand getting it on there? Okay.
You've done your job.
Yeah, and then this side's heavy with a bunch of water in it, most likely.
How's it going?
Been better, you know. So, like it just, yeah, I guess it's dead. Our starter battery's like, like fluctuating between 8 and 9 volts.
Okay.
So maybe we need to dump and get it fired up.
You can do that. Are you holding the boat there?
Kind of, I mean, it's anchored.
Okay, if you can just move so I can tie up next to you then.
Yeah.
And I can just pull you guys back to deeper water, and then we can try jumping it.
I'll do this anchor all the way up here, and I'll take it with me. Because if we get started, we're good. It'll put us in a way better spot.
Yeah, just got an anchor up there. Yeah, just grab that. Thanks.
Yep.
Hey, you having fun?
So yeah, my house batteries have like 13.9 or whatever, but
You don't have a way of jumping them?
I tried moving over the cord, the power strips, but it literally ended up getting hot. Like I ended up burning myself a
Ooh.
little bit. So I put them back, and I'm not an electrician.
Oh, okay.
That's not my.
You all set there?
Yeah. Hold on. You guys been busy today?
You're only the second one, but it's still early.
Yeah, you guys saw us that you're taking off, huh?
I didn't actually see
No,
the.
we didn't see it, man.
I was gonna say, hey, come jump us quick, because we called you in. But
Yeah, we didn't get the dispatch to where you're down there.
yeah, I didn't want to be like, you know, like I didn't know if you had your own that you guys were doing, so we're just like, oh, it'll get to us when they're.
Yeah, at least it's a nice day today.
Yeah. Yeah, we launched at Blackbird,
Oh, okay.
so
So you're going back there if we can't get you started.
yeah.
You been there yet?
No. Ken, the battery pack's right here.
Yeah, but these are helpful.
Oh, yeah.
Watch your head.
Yep. Thank you.
And if everything's good, you should get a green light on the box there.
Yep. Green.
Put your engine down a little bit more. There you go.
How far you think? Sir?
That's fine. Yeah, you're under. There we go.
I think we're good.
Yeah, that's a bad place to stop.
Yeah.
and-
Yeah, I mean,
Well, luckily,
you.
it's fine. It's fine. We're not in no Freeman or anything, but
Yeah, of course you get all these
No,
big
of
boats that just come flying through.
Oh,
And
Yeah, no,
How-
that was again a terrible place to stop.
Yeah.
Because there's
Are we gonna be- are we
literally
gonna be
so
on that
much
thing?
waves.
maybe.
I watch you guys. I don't know if I've seen you guys. I watch YouTube all the time.
Oh, okay.
But thank you guys.
You're very welcome.
You guys were quick. Thank you so much,
Hey,
everyone.
thank you.
You all set?
Yep, just untie.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So now, as long as we stay on this one, it should be charging while we're running, right? Wouldn't you think so?
Do you?
So I have mode 1, which is just the starter, and then I got 1 and 2, which powers everything else. But I don't know if it would, if the alternator would keep
It
charging.
should, but I would leave it just on that one.
Yeah, I don't have any depth finder, so as long as I stay in the channel, I'll be all right.
Oh, okay.
All right. Thank you guys again.
You're very
Thank you
welcome.
so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
All right.
Okay, all right.
I could use to come down to Blackburn. Huh?
Would have been nice.
Yeah.